Welcome to DripWorks. Today we're unboxing our small garden bed irrigation kit, perfect for keeping your garden lush and thriving. Let's dive in and see what we have. First we have the 50-foot roll of half-inch mainline tubing. This will be the backbone of your irrigation system, delivering water to your garden beds. And next, we have the 50-foot roll of 1/4-inch micro tubing. This is flexible tubing that will help you bring water from the mainline tubing to your drip lines. And here is the 1/4-inch soaker drip line with 12-inch spacing. This is perfect for evenly distributing water directly to your plant roots. To ensure your system runs smoothly, we include a home garden filter and a 30 psi pressure regulator. These components help maintain optimal water flow and prevent clogging. We've also included all the necessary fittings and hold-down stakes. You'll find 1/4-inch transfer barbs, elbow fittings, goof plugs, and hold-down stakes to keep everything in place. And there's a handy key punch for making precise holes in your tubing. For added convenience, you can opt for our Galcom Bluetooth flip-open LCD timer. This allows you to automate your watering schedule, ensuring your garden gets the right amount of water when you're not around. This small kit will water up to 3 4x8 raised garden beds. You can also use this garden bed kit to water trees, shrubs, planters, and containers. And there you have it, everything you need to set up an efficient and water-saving irrigation system for your small garden bed. All of our kits do come with instructions, but if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to call us or reach out to us on our website. Don't forget to visit dripworks.com to get your small garden bed irrigation kit today and keep your garden flourishing. Goodbye.